Hello again, everybody. This is Joshua Kerman, back with our daily recap here at Trading Forums. We're going to be looking now at today's trading from the live futures trading room, June 23rd, 2010. All right, let's get right into it here. We'll start, of course, with the Russell. Right off the bat, about 9:39, kind of flat trading. We've had our trend line in place for a downward position from the overnight trading. Kind of flat right around our resistance points here. No breakouts, nothing really exciting. Around 10 o'clock, we saw a breakdown. Our moving average changed colors here. Went from green to flat to red. Looking for some sort of a breakdown here, and we did see it hugging the moving average as well as our trend lines. Once it came down and did a reversal back to the trend line, came back again, did another reversal to the trend line. We were looking for a breakdown because it wasn't able to break this top side. So what we did is we went for a short right below the previous low. Again, trend line was still red. Everything here was turning back to red. As you saw, there was some green arrows here, but all the dots were red, so we are in a downward position. Our second indicators also showed a downward turn. Our main indicator here did turn red. We took the short over here, 26 ticks right up to our reversal candle. As soon as our yellow reversal candle fired off with a possible reversal trend, we got out of the trade. 26 ticks short on that trade. Very nice trade around 10 o'clock in the morning. And again, the candle did work out well. Our yellow indicator here, our yellow indicator candle, the reversal candle, did work out well. We did get out, and it did reverse back to the trend line. We kept looking for another opportunity, and once we saw that the trend was starting to move upwards, we were looking for long trades. We didn't take any long trade because our our 200 EMA here was still not broken. Even though our trend line was broken, we were looking at the moving average to see for some long positions. And the time that we got that was there was a break right here of the moving average. Everything was green at that point. It did bounce back, but it really didn't have that strong of a bounce. When it did come back and it turned green here, our moving average turned green for an upward position. All our candles turned green. Our indicators were moving up. Main indicator turned dark green. We did put on a trade for a long right above the previous high and took it up for about 15 ticks. There was a resistance line up here. Again, these are the resistance lines that we draw ahead of our session. And when we saw it coming near there, we were looking for an exit. And again, our reversal candle, the yellow reversal candle, fired off right at the resistance line. We got out with 15 ticks. And it was a good thing because it did break the resistance, but it followed back down to the moving average again. Moving along here, kind of stayed flat right around our resistance line here at 641.9. Did see it move up to our next resistance point. We weren't really looking for any trades at this point. We wanted to see a clear break, and we weren't comfortable with taking any trades at that point. Right around the moving average again. There was a nice break up here at about 2:30. It was just too fast to get in. There was no entry points at that point. It was moving way too quick on that one. Kept around, again, went into a flat position right around the moving average and both our areas here. 3 o'clock came around, again, very flat right around there. No real entry points. So our main entries were, again, right in the morning session. Didn't really look for any adventures after that. As you can see, most of it was right between the two resistance lines. So we didn't feel comfortable taking any trades except for this one. This would have been an okay trade, but again, it was just moving too fast. Couldn't get into that trade itself. So overall, we got about 15 ticks on one, and our first trade was an excellent trade at 26 ticks on the Russell. So these are the only two trades. One was taken around 10 o'clock. The other one was taken around 10:44, 10:50 a.m. So both trades for today were taken in the morning. Also, we looked at a couple of the NQ here, and we did get to a short right around the morning time. Again, a break of a long consolidation area. Went below the low, got it in. Reversal candle came right up here. Got out with 15 ticks. Afterwards, we saw a break of the S1, and then we saw a beautiful setup here with a reversal to the S1 and a strong bounce right down. We were looking for a short right below here. A wick unfortunately got us into this trade, and instead of moving down any further, it did go back. Our exit point was right about the S1, just the break of the S1. So that was a losing trade of about 24 ticks. The setup was right, just the reversal came in a little too quick on the NQ there. Again, looking for some more trades along the line here. Kind of ran right around the moving average. We don't like to take trades right around. We want to see a clear break, and the clear break came right after 2 o'clock. We did see a quick move right above our previous low. It did break the moving average, broke our area here. There was some area to work with. Got in at the high for a long, 13 ticks long. We did get the reversal candle as well as the as one of our resistance lines, so we did take the 13 ticks, got out quickly. We could have made more money, but again, we have our strict strategies. So as soon as we saw any reversal ideas, especially when the candle fires off, we got out. We got 13 ticks on that one. Beyond that, there was no further trades taken on the NQ. Overall, very good day. We did have a nice day on the Russell. We did have quite a large stop out on the NQ, but the 13 ticks profit plus the 15 ticks profit gave us 28 ticks in the profit, less than 24 that we lost. So again, about 4 ticks in the profit. But this was a great setup, perfect setup to go in. But looking at it behind, looking after the fact, it was red. It was the right thing to do. But once you're seeing what happened afterwards, it wasn't that great of a trade. But again, those happen. Stuck to our strategies and came out ahead at the end of the day. Again, this is Joshua Kerman coming at you from our live trading room daily recap for June 23rd, 2010. We'll see you all tomorrow morning in the room. I wish you guys a good afternoon and evening, and good trading tomorrow. Bye-bye for now, everybody.